Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Weebly for website building, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Weebly website at www.weebly.com. Click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You can choose to create an account using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Fill in your details if you're using email, then click Create Your Account. After signing in, you will be prompted to select a theme. Browse through the available options and select a theme that suits your website's purpose. Once you've chosen a theme, click Edit Site to start customizing. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main editing panel. You can drag and drop elements like text, images, and videos onto your page. Click on Pages in the top menu to organize your website structure. Here, you can add new pages or sections such as About, Contact, or Blog. To edit a page, simply click on its name and make changes in the editor. Here, you can integrate features like forms, social media buttons, and e-commerce tools. Next, customize the overall site settings by clicking on Settings in the top menu. You can change your site title, URL, and other important settings. Once you're satisfied with your setup, preview your site by clicking the Preview button. Make sure everything looks good and functions properly. When you're ready, click on the Publish button in the top right corner. Follow the prompts to choose your domain name, either a free Weebly subdomain or a custom domain. After publishing, you can always return to edit and update your site. Finally, take time to review your site after it's live, ensuring good user experience and functionality. This will help you create an effective online presence with Weebly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.